Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you allow everyone to join your experience in Roblox app. So at first just go to your Roblox app. Now click the bottom last three dot icon, scroll and go to settings. Now click the third option, privacy. Again scroll down and in the last other settings, the middle one is who can join me in experiences. Select it and select everyone, the first one, and that's how you can allow everyone to join in your experience in Roblox. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.